High in the remote valleys of Himalayas, nestled near the border where time seems to stand still, lies the ancient village of Gunji. Here, once every year, an extraordinary ritual unfolds, a sacred ceremony known as the Sangshay Puja. Steeped in the mystery, tradition, and breathtaking symbolism, the age old festival brings together ancestral spirits, sacrificial rites, and the enigmatic prophecies of flying llamas. This sacred tradition has been practiced for generations and hold deep cultural and spiritual significance for the local community. During the Sanjay Puja, offerings include Sattu ke Laddu, which is a traditional sweet made from roasted gram flour. Along with this, a local som ras is also served as ritual item.
बकरे ये चपी समसमा को चढ़ाया जाएगा आज। कुल 6 यहाँ पर बकरा यहाँ पर है। इससे हमारे चपी से समसमा को चढ़ाया जाएगा आज। कहाँ जा रहे हो? बकरे आ चुके हैं।
One of the most distinctive aspects of the ceremony is the sacrifice of 6 goats carried out according to age old customs. In the evening, a village fair is held. People come together to enjoy Sattu Laddus and local somras, celebrating in a festive and friendly spirit. What remains in the still air is not just the echo of drums, but the heartbeat of centuries of tradition. In Gunji, amidst the rugged peaks and whispering winds, the village has once again seen one of its most sacred rituals through.
ये
दूसरा तीसरा जगमल जगमल क्या है सुनो हेलो चौथा टिप्पा जब ये तुम्हारा पांचवा चेपीस है छठा ताता नहीं है।
During the ceremony, villagers gather and apply sattu on each other's faces. It is a part of ritual. The sattu used is collected from everyone in the community, symbolizing unity and togetherness. After this ritual, the combined sattu is used to prepare a sacred offering known as prasad, which is then shared among all the villagers, strengthening their bond and celebrating their shared culture. Another interesting part of the ritual is the flying llamas, mythical or symbolic creatures believed to tell the future by looking at the goat's liver. This act of divination is sacred and watched with deep respect by the villagers. After the sacrifice, the goat meat is shared as prasad among the people. The flying llamas have read the signs, the goats have been sacrificed, the prasad shared, and the community united by faith, feast, and reverence.
अभी इसकी पीस गांव में बंटवारे के लिए यहाँ है।
The next morning, the closing ceremony take place. Traditional local dishes like sathani, which is also a local alcohol, are served, marking the end of Shangshay Puja in a warm and meaningful way. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting stories from Vyas Valley.